Hey everyone, here we have a question on range, mode and median. The question is, determine the range, mode and median of the following data set. So we have a 7 terms or 7 observation here. So whenever you have to find out the median or a mode or range, you have to arrange them in a ascending order. That is, you have to arrange the terms in the ascending order, the smallest to largest terms. So here in this question it's already arranged in a ascending order, so I don't have to do anything. But in case you get a question where they have not arranged it, then the first step is to arrange them. If you arrange them, you can able to find out the median, and it will be very easy to find out the mode and a range. Now let's start with the range. Now what is range? Range is nothing but it's a difference between the highest observation and the smallest observation. I'm not writing out the formula here. It's a okay, let me write down. It is highest observation minus the lowest observation. Now highest observation here is 40, right? So 40 minus the lowest here is 10, so 40 minus 10 is equal to 30. So range is equal to 30. That's it. The second one is we have to find out the mode. Now mode is nothing but how many times an observation, which term or which observation is repeated more number of time. So that is called mode. So if you see here, 10 is repeated once, 15 is repeated twice, and the rest of the terms, that is 20, 30, 35 and 40, the rest of the observations, they are repeated only once. So 15 is repeated twice, so 15 will become mode. So we have to just check which number or which observation is repeated more number of time, that will become mode. Now third one is median. Now this median is a little different. It depends upon how many terms are present. Terms means how many observations are present. In this question we have a 7 observation. Count them, we have a 7 observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is an odd number. Suppose you have an odd number of observation, then median is nothing but the middlemost term or the middlemost observation. So here the middlemost is 20. Here I have a 3 observation, here I have 3 observation, in the center I have a 20. So median will become 20. You can also use a formula in case it's confusing you. It is only applicable if you have an odd number of observation. Then the formula will become n plus 1 by 2 the term or the observation. This is not the answer, this is a term I'm talking about. So n is nothing but number of observation. We have a 7 observation, so 7 plus 1 upon 2, which is 8 upon 2. Cancel it, we'll get 4. So fourth term, fourth observation. What is fourth observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 is coming, right? So that is what we got here. 20 is a fourth term, so 20 is the median here. Now, suppose you have a even number of observation, like you have a 8 observation or 10 observation, then median will be the average of the center two, the middle two terms. It's average. Again I'm saying it's average of the center two terms. Suppose you have, I'm taking just an example, it's not related to this question, I'm just giving example for you to explain. It's small example. Suppose you have a 6 terms like 1, 2, 2, then 3 and 3 and 4, then average will become the the middle become average of the center two terms or the middle two terms, that is 2 and 3. It will become average. How to take the average? You have to add 2 and 3 and divide by 2, which is 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5. So your median will become 2.5. I'm talking about this example. Okay, so this is how you have to find out the median if you have an even number of observation. If you have an odd number of observation, then the middlemost term or the middlemost observation is your median. So I hope this question is clear, how to find out the mode, median and range. And in case you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment, I'll try to answer them. Thank you so much for watching.